We got the fire alarm going off. Got a couple cops. They might be in our building. Where are they, Daisy? Are they in their little cars? Here comes folks for the fire alarm. Maybe. Probably. I don't see any fire or smell any fire. Because sometimes if they have a fire by our buildings, the fire alarms go off. So I don't know what's happening here. Oh, I see them in their car moving, so. And then there's a car moving. Well, one person decided to stay home. Is that what happened? Hey, Daisy. I thought the fire truck would be here by now. But it's okay. I don't smell any fire. What do you smell?